So it is the AI Box Elite. Let's see what we get in the box, shall we? It's not very big. Some instructions. I'm not going to lie, usually I'll chuck instructions away, but let's have a little look what we get in the box first. Oops, couldn't get it out of packaging. So it is really small, really thin, feels really light. USB into the interface of your car. Play Store, all app. Hey, we've already got YouTube. Oh look, there's only one channel to be searching on here. There we go, look, click subscribe. Hey. Oh, it's pretty sick for a little screen, isn't it? It's actually pretty sick for a little screen. It all comes up mint. And there we go. There's a million of them. Check this out, look, Netflix as well. You've got everything on Netflix. Tell you what, this is absolutely sick. I wouldn't say it was the cheapest thing. I think it were around 150 quid. But you know what? If you've already got CarPlay, absolutely mint. Look at this. Imagine if you're in your car a lot and you just sit watching Netflix in your car. Mint, isn't it that? Really good. And on your network, won't it, on your phone? Because it is streaming off my phone, so it depends how good.
Wondering. That's trailer. As well.
That trailer, that. Yeah.
Don't there goes enough.
Play episode 1. Very good.
You don't want to jump off there.
So those of you who haven't watched Brassic, you need to watch it. It's fantastic. And I also figured out what this annoying little triangle is, as I call it. Annoying little square is, as I called it. That's how you get back to home screens. You press that, back to home, and then you can click all apps like that. And you've got App Store, Car, Bluetooth, even Disney Plus. So I've been sat having a little bit of a play and customizing things a little bit. I have customized my screen a little bit. So I've got music, Netflix, YouTube here, Play Store, Bluetooth phone. So one thing I have found, you can use this completely as you would normal CarPlay, so you can stream your Bluetooth music. You simply just click on Bluetooth music and you can stream all your music as you normally would. Try and show you some music videos. There is a YouTube channel called NCS, No Copyright Sounds. So as long as we credit their video, we won't get done for them. So there we are, look. Click that on there. And this is a song that I do use on some of my videos, so I know it's copyright free and I can show you. How cool is that? Absolute game changer, honestly. And the quality as well, the sound quality is fantastic. It doesn't sound muffled, doesn't sound fuzzy. It sounds actually incredible in car. Down, and then let's try and switch to a different song, see how quick it is. Try again, next song. Fantastic, absolutely brilliant. It's a definite game changer for me, this is. And then to get back, you simply press that and press the home. Takes you right back to where you started. Also App Store, click on App Store. This pretty much lets you go in and download whatever you want to download, just like the App Store on your phone. So I am running Android, but I'm almost certain this works with iPhone as well. So there you go, look, you can just go on the App Store, download whichever apps you want. Click Bluetooth music. Now Bluetooth is turned off on my phone, let me just turn it back on. My phone, connect to Smart AI Box, and there we go, we're back connected again. Go back, Bluetooth music. And there we go, that's now playing through Bluetooth on the Bluetooth music function. Again, sound quality is crisp. There's no delay, no glitchiness. Tell you guys, this is a 8-bitter kit for money. It really is a 8-bitter kit. So you can also use it as normal CarPlay. If you click to Speed Play, it says please connect Bluetooth to AI Smart Box. We're already connected, so it will connect automatically. And boom, there we go. So this is almost like a mirror link of my phone. It's just like normal CarPlay, isn't it? So it's almost like a mirror link. Yeah, you click that there, you can listen to your tunes, tells you your address,